Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 6 and we'll continue with the exercise 10.3 because this exercise is a big one. So already the previous exercise also was the continuation. So here it's given 2x plus 3y is equal to 14 and xy is equal to 8. You have to find the value of 4x square plus 9y square. So in this case 2x plus 3y is given means this you can say a plus b is given here and you have to find out here 4x square. So what we'll do, you will use this formula first, a plus b whole bracket square, because here a plus b is given. So that is, this is the standard form, this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square. When you expand this one, a plus b whole bracket square, you get a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is what you have to remember. So now here a is 2x and b is 3y. So in place of a, you will write 2x and this will be 3y. So this square of it. So now you know what is a and what is b. You can, if you want, you can write here what is a, 2x, and b is 3y. So now you know here, you will write here 2x and you have to put a bracket over here and then a square, because if you are just writing 2x square, that means this square is for just x and not 2. So this bracket shows that this square is for 2 as well as x. So the bracket is important. Plus 2, this is going to be 2x and this is going to be 3y. And this will be 3y. Again, here again you have to put a bracket, 3y and whole bracket square. So now you know 2x plus 3y, that is given as 14. So 14 square will be 4x square. This is going to be 12xy plus will be 9y square. So 14 square is going to be 4x square. You will bring this 12x, this one 9y square here. And this will be, you can add one step here. I have done directly. So 4x square plus 9y square plus 12x square, and then you can put this one. So I'll just put it here, that will be more better. 14 square is equal to 4x square plus 9y square plus 12x square. Just I have rearranged it, and then we'll put the values. That is, xy is given as 8. So in place of this xy, we'll write 8. Rest all are going to be the same. So now 14 square means 14 into 14, that is going to be 196. This is the same, 12 8s are 96. So 196, if you bring this plus 96 on this side, that is going to be minus 96, and this stays the same. So this is going to be 100, that will be 4x square plus 9y square. That is what they have asked, the value of 4x square plus 9y square. Given x plus y is equal to 15 and xy is equal to 54, then you have to find the value of x square minus y square. So in this case, we cannot use the same formula as this one. So what do we do? We'll use this identity. So there is one more identity, that is x plus y whole bracket square minus x minus y whole bracket square is equal to 4xy, because we want a x square minus y square. So now you know that is given, x plus y is given, that is 15 square minus this we don't know, x minus y whole bracket square, and this 4, and xy is given as 54. So in place of this we are going to write 54. So this is going to be 225 minus here x minus y whole bracket square, and when you multiply this is going to be 216. So 225, if you bring this on this side, that is going to be minus 216, and this is minus x minus y whole bracket square. If we took on the other side, that is going to be plus. So this will be 9 is equal to 9 x minus y whole bracket square. So x minus y is going to, you're going to take the square root on both sides. So this and this gets cancelled. So here will be root of 9, that is going to be, you have to write plus or minus 3. So this plus or minus is important, that is x minus y. So now here we want x square minus y square. So this is not done. So what will you do? X square minus y square, that is, this is in the form of, that is also a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b, and x square minus y square, that is x plus y, x minus y. You can also write here x plus y, x minus y or you can write x minus y, x plus y, both is the same, because this is the multiplication in between. So either we write 5 into 3, that also is 15, or 3 into 5, that also is 15. So you can write either ways. So now you know the value of x plus y, that is already given as 15, and here we got x minus y, that is plus or minus 3. So this is going to be plus or minus 15 3s are 45. So x square minus y square is plus or minus 45. That is, you have to find the value of x square minus y square. Here, if x plus 1 by x is 5, and you have to find the values of x square plus 1 by x square. So here, one more thing we know, this one x plus 1 by x square, if it is, we are taking the square of this, means it will be the square of 5 also. So that is going to be 5 square. So now this is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So you know that is a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a, this is b. So this will be a square, means this is going to be x square plus 2 a b. So x into 1 by x, and plus b square means 1 by x square, or you can put here, you can show like this, both is the same, 1 square is going to be 1 and this is going to be the square of it. You can write this way also, this is also the same. This is going to be 5 square will be 25. So this, see, this is one term. So what we can do, we can cancel out this because there is a multiplication sign here. So that will be x square plus, you can just, what did I do here? I took this 1 by x square here and this plus 2 here. Only I have rearranged the places. Here is equal to 25. So x square plus 1 by x square, that will be 25 plus 2 goes on the other side, that is going to be minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square, that is going to be 23. So that is what they are asked. Now here x is to 4 by plus 1 raised to 1 by x raised to 4. So here I'll tell you why did I write here 1. So now what you can see on squaring both sides of here, we want it is the same problem here. A means these things are going to be the same and this is the b part of it. So here I wrote equation 1 because here on squaring both sides of equation 1. So squaring this part and this one. So I have written here 1. So what do we get? X square plus 1 by x square whole bracket square, and that is going to be 23 square. So now this is a and b, so square of that is going to be x square raised to 2 plus 2 into this is a and this is b plus here this will be b square. So that will be 23 square is going to be 23 into 23, that will be 529. So now what will be here? This means multiplication. So that will be, a raised to m raised to n, that is going to be a raised to mn. So same thing, x is to 4, this and this gets cancelled, this is one term. So here this and this gets cancelled. This will be 1 by x is to 4. So I just brought this on this side and 529, and this will be, the remainder is 2 here. So here will be, it will go on the other side, that will be minus 2. So this will be x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4, that is going to be 527. That is what we have to find out value of this one. Now here x minus 1 by x, that is root 3, and you have to find the values of x square plus 1 by x square. So now this is here minus, so what will you do here? You are going to use the other formula, that is a minus b whole bracket square. So it is same as a plus b whole bracket square, only the difference here is minus. So here this is a and this is b. So now what will you do? In place of a, you will write here same thing, and this is the same here, square of it. This will be x square minus 2, a is x and b is 1 by x, and plus here 1 by x whole bracket square. So this will be root 3 whole bracket square, that will be x square. This and this gets cancelled from this term, and this will come on this side, that will be 1 by x square, and this will be minus 2 will go here. So now what we can do here, root 3 square means root 3 into root 3 is going to be root of 9, and root of 9, that is going to be 3. So we can write for this one as directly 3. Minus 2 will come here, that is going to be plus 2, and this will be the same on the right hand side. So this is going to be 5 will be x square plus 1 by x square. Now if we are taking x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4. So here what we can do, now we know this, we can also write for this also equation number 1. If you are squaring both the sides of it, so x square plus 1 by x square, that is given as 5 square. So you are going to take, you will write here squaring both sides. Both sides of equation 1. Same thing what we did in the previous problem. So that is going to be 5 square. So this is going to be a and this is going to be b. So a square means x raised to 2 whole bracket square plus 2 into this is a, this is b and b. So b square. So this will be x raised to 4 plus this and this gets cancelled for this part plus x 1 by x raised to 4, that is 25. So now this together will bring this here and this is 25 as it is on the right hand side, plus 2 goes on the other side, that is going to be minus 2. So x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4, that is going to be 23. That is. Now here, if x square plus 1 divided by x square is 62, you have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. So now what will you do? Here x square plus 1 divided by x square. So now we'll start with this one, x plus 1 by x whole bracket square. So same thing, this is a plus b whole bracket square, that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now here this will going to write the same. This and this gets cancelled for this term. This will come this side and this will go here. Only it is rearranged. This the same. Here will be, now we know x square plus 1 by x square, that is 62. So in place of this we are going to write 62 and this plus 2 as it is. So x plus 1 by x raised to 2, that is going to be 64. So when you are going to square both the sides, so that will be x plus 1 by x will be, this is a perfect square, but you have to write plus or minus, it is important. Now we will see the b part of it. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 9 and you have to find the values of x plus 1 by x. So now here we can do the same. For this one we are going to take a plus b whole bracket square means x plus 1 by x whole bracket square. So that will be x square plus 2x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. So this will be, this and this gets cancelled, plus 2 plus 1 by x square. So x plus 1 by x square, that is going to be, this will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So this will be the same. So for this one we can write here 79 and this will be plus 2. So this will be 81. So when you square both the sides, that is going to be plus or minus 9. That is what they have asked. If x square plus 1 by x square is 102, find the value of x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x whole bracket square means this will be in the form of a minus b whole bracket square. That is going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to be the same. This and this gets cancelled for this term. X square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. This is going to be the same. So this will be x minus 1 by x whole bracket square, that is going to be 102 and this will be minus 2. So x minus 1 by x whole bracket square, that is going to be 100. So when you square both the sides, so it should be plus or minus 10 because this is the perfect square. Now we'll see the b part of it. X square plus 1 by x square, that is 38, and you have to find the value of x minus 1 by x. So now we can start with this one, that is a minus b whole bracket square, that will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this the same, this and this gets cancelled for this term, this comes, so we can also write here one step or we can write here, rearrange here itself. So I have added one step. Same thing is here. This the same. You know x square plus 1 by x square, that is going to be 38 minus 2. So this is going to be 36. So when you square both the sides, that is going to be, that is a perfect square, plus or minus 6. So x minus 1 by x, that is plus or minus 6. If 9x square plus y square is 397 and xy is equal to 38, you have to find the value of 3x plus y. So what will you do? You will take that 3x plus y whole bracket square, means it will be in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the same. This is going to be here again. The bracket is important, as I told you earlier. So here, this is going to be 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So this will be 9x square plus y square and 6xy. So this is going to be 9x square plus y square, that is going to be 397, and 6 into this will be xy is going to be 38. So this is going to be the same. When you multiply this one, that is going to be 228. So this is the same, 625. So when you square both the sides, so that is going to be 25 into 25, that is a perfect square. That will be 625, but you have to write plus or minus 25. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.